How to watch Netflix with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can watch Netflix with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to watch Netflix with friends, the Netflix app by default does not give you such option that you can use so that you can watch with your friend all together. Netflix application doesn't give you that feature. So what you have to do for this, if you want to watch Netflix together with your friends, you have to install this application known as Rave, which is available on both App Store as well as your Play Store. And once you download this app, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically open it up, log into a Rave account, because you can easily create a Rave account. And after you do that, from the bottom you can just tap the plus icon. So when you tap the plus icon, you can choose the platform that you would like to watch with your friend, which in our case is Netflix. So now when we select Netflix account over here, we have to log into our Netflix account, and once we log into the Netflix account, we can invite the friends that we want to watch Netflix with us. For example, if I just come to the home page over here, you should be able to see a couple of other people who are also watching Netflix over here. You can go ahead and then select these people, and you can tap the friends icon here to invite some friends to watch together with you. This way you'll be able to watch Netflix together with friends. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.